Hi everybody, I'm Trish and I'm your presenter, and welcome to our online 3D mascara party. This is 100% online. I do this from my home, as you can see. So when you see me doing my videos, that's where you'll find me, here at the house. You may see my husband occasionally. You will probably hear my dog bark. He does that all the time, especially when somebody's walking by or he thinks somebody's walking by, he will immediately start barking. So you might, when he starts barking, you can say hi to him because he thinks everybody is here to see him. So everything is completely online, like I said. We will mostly talk about our wonderful 3D Fiber Lash Mascara and probably some other great, unique products. I may have some friends pop in and put up some pictures and tell what their favorite unique product is. I will post lots of pictures and how-to videos that will hopefully be informative. They will be interesting in a funny way, probably, to say the least, but hopefully very informative. If you have any questions, just feel free to post them on the page. You can message me privately, whatever you want to do. I think you will just absolutely love it. So I want you to just sit back, relax, enjoy yourself, and again, welcome to the party. Thanks a lot, and I will see you soon. Bye.